Welcome to a journey of colors, emotions, and expression. Today, I'm working on an abstract piece titled Dawn Sun. Before we begin, I'm preparing my canvas, gently wetting it to let the colors flow more freely. Abstract art is not about perfection. It's about feeling. Every brushstroke here is an emotion. Every color is a reflection of a thought, undefined, yet deeply connected to the soul. With abstract art, there are no rules. It's not what you see, it's what you feel. Now let the colors speak. As I layer these colors, something beautiful begins to crack through, just like the first light of dawn. The cracking textures you see are not mistakes. They represent the splitting of emotions, like electric waves moving through the sky. These cracks are energy. They're tension, movement, change. This painting is a message. When the sun rises, everything starts to feel okay again. Darkness fades. Emotions evolve. Life doesn't stay the same. Dawn sun is more than paint. It's a reminder that every new day brings healing. The breaking patterns symbolize time, breaking barriers, and creating space for something new to grow. Every brushstroke tells you you are changing, growing, and glowing, just like the sun at dawn. If this painting spoke to you in any way, don't forget to subscribe for more stories told through art. Let's keep creating beauty out of chaos and emotion from color. This is more than just a painting. It's a piece of your sunrise, too.